Hi everybody. Just want to give you an update on what I've been doing here. I guess we'll call it the Adams Avenue area since I'm using the kits from Downtown Deco. So without further ado, we'll stop this and I'll show you what I've been doing. All right, what you're seeing now is the rearranged Adams Avenue area. I haven't quite finished it yet, but I like to play around with the buildings and move them around. So this, as I showed you, I guess in the first video, when this one was assembled, this is part one of the Adams Avenue kits from Art Deco, or Downtown Deco. I have to think about it. You get old, you kind of forget words. And there's the pawn shop sign on the end. So that's the one that has the pawn shop, the bar, the tattoo parlor, and then a liquor store. And also, I moved the Trackside Tavern over to this side of the tracks because it's more akin to these other buildings. I did move Molly's Diner over to where I had the Trackside Tavern originally. All right. So now there's part two, and that's got the Cocoa Club, the bail bonds, the massage parlor, 24-hour a day operation, and then there's Valdez's grocery store over there, which I'll let you see. And we'll show you the back. And then there's part three, and that's got the Palace card room and lounge. And then it's got the downtown apartments, $5 a day from what I could see on the sign. So now we'll walk around behind the back. I mean, you got to remember that this stuff kind of continues. Oh, look at that, a police car ready over here. And I do have the other Woodland Scenics police car that has the flashing lights that you can plug into the Just Plug system. I'll probably put that one over here. But here, so you can see this is the side of the Cocoa Club. And here we'll show you the back. I haven't quite decided whether I'm going to leave this concrete looking foam in the underneath in the back or not. So here's the back of the Cocoa Club. This is the back of the bail bond. You can't get in there from the back. That door looks like it's locked. Here's the back of the this is the massage parlors in this section of the building, and then the Valdez's meats and groceries is through this back door here. And then here's the back of the Palace Hotel, or excuse me, Card Lounge, and then the rooms. That's pretty cheap. And then here's the side of Palace Hotel Card Room. Once again, I had a problem with the, and I guess all my grabbing has probably lifted it up. No, it's on there. I had to print that because the one that they gave me, I could not get it to adhere to the side of the building. So, but anyway, this is kind of what it's going to look like. I did this curved street. I used my trusty old, I don't know what is a 36 or a 40 some odd inch. This is old style hand laying HO track. And I use it for curves, but that's the way this is going to probably look. I'm not gluing anything down just yet. I like to let stuff kind of soak and then think about it for a while and see if I really like it. But I think overall this street looks like the bad end of the town, so which was what I intended it to look like. So. But anyway, just wanted to kind of catch up with you. This has been a busy week for us. We've been having, in fact, this building's been painted. My well house or pump house has been painted, and the main house, and then the cottage where my son and his wife live. So it's been a busy week. So that's why I'm a little later putting out a video this week. But anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.